Welcome to this full 2025 guide on how to automate tasks on deal stages in HubSpot. If you've ever felt that manual management of sales processes is slowing you down, automation is the key to streamlining your workflow. First of all, head over to hubspot.com and log in with your credentials. Make sure your login information is secure. Protecting your business data is just as important as managing it. Once inside HubSpot, navigate to the CRM and select the Deals section. This is where you can monitor every sales opportunity and ensure your pipeline flows smoothly. From here, click on Settings. Customizing these options allows you to align HubSpot with your unique sales and marketing strategies. Next, go into Pipelines. Think of pipelines as a visual map of your sales journey. They help you spot bottlenecks, track movement between stages, and make informed decisions that keep your team efficient. Now, here comes the powerful part: automation. Select the Automate option. With triggers, you can set up HubSpot to handle repetitive tasks automatically, whether it's sending follow-up emails, updating fields, or moving deals to the next stage. Automation ensures accuracy and saves valuable time. By adopting this feature, you minimize manual errors and free yourself to focus on what truly matters: building relationships and closing deals. And that's it. You've learned how to automate tasks in HubSpot's deal stages. For more ways to optimize your HubSpot experience, check out our other guides. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.